Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about what is programming language. Okay, this is the basic and entry level question for all. So what is a programming language? Before going to that topic, subscribe my channel for more interesting and informative videos. Let's get started. So first thing is, we all know about what is a language. So this is the basic question. What is a language? A language is a mode of communication that is used to share ideas and opinions with each other. So language is a tool or language is a medium for a communication. Okay. What is the use of a language means? It is used for sharing ideas, sharing opinions with each other. For an example, if we want to teach someone, we need a language that is understandable by both of them. Okay. If I am teaching someone a particular topic, okay, it is understandable by both of them. So the teacher and the student, both of them are understandable by each other. This is the language. Okay, language is a medium or a language is a tool, as a mode of communication for sharing ideas and opinions with each other. This is the requirement or this is the need. Okay, so next thing is communication. So what is a communication? It is pretty much similar to the language. Okay, the communication is sharing ideas and opinions. Let's consider two people. Okay, the two people are communicate each other with a medium with the help of a language. Okay, first people know English language and second one is known as Hindi. So it is possible to communicate each other. One is known English language and another one is the Hindi language. It is possible to communicate nothing. So no, it is not possible. Why? Because both are not understandable their languages. One is known as English and another one is Hindi. It is not possible. Okay, if both are having same language priorities, the first one is no English and second one is also no English, means the communication is taken place. Okay, first one is known English, second one is known English, means it is the communication is taken place. They are sharing ideas and sharing opinions with each other. The both are communicating and both are understandable. Okay, both are known English and both are understand each other. This is the communication. So in the case of programming language, okay, programming language, what is the use of programming language means? The programming language, it is used for communicating with the computer, human and computer interaction. A programming language is a computer language, okay, that is used by programmers or developers to communicate with computers. So this is a simple explanation or simple definition. Programming language is a computer language, okay, and that is used for programmers to communicate with computers. Who? The programmer communicate with computers. It is simple definition. So what is the use? Giving instructions to computers. Who give the instruction means the programmer give instructions to computers to do a some job or specific task. This is the basic programming language definition. Okay, once again I recall it. Programming language is a computer language and it is used for programmers to communicate with computers, giving instruction to the computers. So this is the interaction between the human and a computer. The human or a people giving some instruction. For an example, human give an instruction to addition of two numbers. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20, means giving instruction to the computer. What the work is computer done means getting two inputs, A equal to 10 and B equal to 20, getting the inputs and manipulate them or process them, giving the result as 30. This is the instruction. Human giving the instruction to the computer process the instructions, process it and it will be displayed. It will be display the result or an output. Okay, this is the simple example for a interaction. So addition of two numbers. Okay. So next thing is the examples for programming language. The programming language have lots of examples. First one is C is a programming language, and C++, Java, Python, and etc. The programming language field or this industry will grow every year. Each and every year new language will be introduced. Okay, programming is a bigger industry. It will have a lot of scopes in that industry. Not only these four languages, lots of programming languages available in the world. So I hope this video is useful for you. If any doubts or any clarification you need means, please comment in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and informative videos are waiting.